Today we will find how to open both the screens in the same view on LG G8X. Simply opening a wide view on LG G8X. So let's get started. Okay, now I have this LG G8X phone. So it is running with Snapdragon 855 processor. I bought it like 8 months back. It is running perfectly fine, and I'll show you a small trick how to open a application on both the screens at the same time. Okay, I'll just open any application. For example, I'll just open Amazon Prime Video. Here I have it. So LG by default gave the option to by default I have this swap screen option, so I can swap it here and there, but I do not have an option that I can open this Amazon Prime on the same other screen. So I'll show you how to do it. I'll go to Play Store and search for wide view, and I'll open wide view. This is application. Okay, and I'll click on install. It is a small application. It will take around like 20 seconds or so. So it's done. Okay, now it has been installed. There is no open option because I'll show you. I'll click on the pencil icon. I'll go to notification. I'll show you the same symbol. You can find it. I'll open Play Store and show the symbol again so that you won't get confused. See, that is the same symbol. See, I'll just toggle that and keep it on the main notification menu, and I'll save it. Okay, see, I'll show you. See, I have saved it. Automatically saved, or else I'll click on the tick icon on the right side. Yeah, that's done. For example, I'll open Amazon Prime, the same video. I'll open notification and kept it at first. I'll click it. So here it is. I have Amazon Prime on both the screens. I'll open Netflix now. I'll show you. Where is Netflix? Yeah, here it is. Okay, and I'll click on the same icon. See, Netflix on full screen now. See, this is the simple way that you can open a same application on LG G8X on dual screen as well. And thanks for watching. Do like and share my video.